Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, the go-to place for everything about sleep. Today, we're talking about a lost key. Not a physical key, but the one key that unlocks better health, a sharper mind, and a happier life. That key is sleep. It's something we all do, yet so many of us feel like we've lost the ability to do it well. We toss and turn, our minds race, and we wake up feeling like we haven't slept at all. It's frustrating, right? It feels like you're trying to open a door, but you just can't find the right key. Well, I'm here to tell you that the key isn't lost forever. You just need to know where to look. So let's start by understanding what this key actually does. When you sleep, your body isn't just shutting down. It's performing critical maintenance. Imagine your body is a bustling city. During the day, it's full of traffic, noise, and activity. At night, when the city sleeps, the cleanup crews and repair teams get to work. They fix the roads, clean the streets, and restock the stores. That's exactly what happens in your body. Your brain sorts through the day's information, filing away important memories and getting rid of the junk. It's like defragmenting a hard drive. This process is essential for learning and memory. Ever tried to study for a test while sleep deprived? It's nearly impossible because your brain can't form those new connections without proper rest. Then there's your physical health. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which helps repair tissues, build muscle, and strengthen your immune system. If you're not getting enough quality sleep, your immune system weakens, making you more susceptible to getting sick. It also affects your metabolism. Lack of sleep can mess with the hormones that control your appetite, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the go hormone that tells you when to eat, increases, while leptin, the stop hormone that tells you when you're full, decreases. This is why you often crave junk food and overeat when you're tired. It's not a lack of willpower. It's your biology working against you. So getting good sleep is one of the most effective things you can do for weight management. And let's not forget our emotional well-being. Sleep and mood are deeply connected. When you're well rested, you're more resilient to stress, more patient, and generally more optimistic. But when you're sleep deprived, the emotional center of your brain, the amygdala, goes into overdrive. Small problems feel like huge catastrophes. You might find yourself getting easily irritated or feeling down for no apparent reason. It's like trying to navigate life with a faulty emotional compass. Quality sleep recalibrates that compass, helping you face the day with a clearer, more balanced perspective. If you're struggling with your mental health, please know that improving your sleep is a powerful step you can take, and seeking professional help is a sign of strength. There are resources available to support you. Okay, so we know sleep is the key, but how do we find it when it feels so lost? The answer lies in building a strong sleep routine. Our bodies love predictability. This is all about sleep hygiene. The first step is creating a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. Yes, even on weekends. This helps to regulate your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Think of it like training your body. At first it might feel difficult, but after a week or two, your body will start to anticipate sleep and wakefulness, and you'll find the process becomes much smoother. Next, let's talk about your bedroom environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. This means it needs to be dark, quiet, and cool. Blackout curtains or an eye mask can work wonders to block out light, which can interfere with the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Earplugs or a white noise machine can help drown out any disruptive sounds. And a cool room temperature, somewhere between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius, is ideal for sleeping. Your body temperature naturally drops as you prepare for sleep, and a cool room helps facilitate that process. Also, reserve your bed for sleep and intimacy only. Avoid working, eating, or watching TV in bed. You want your brain to associate your bed with sleep, and only sleep. Now, let's address the biggest sleep thief of the modern age: screens. The blue light emitted from our phones, tablets, and computers is particularly disruptive to sleep. It tricks our brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing melatonin production and keeping us wired when we should be winding down. So, a crucial rule is to create a digital curfew. Put away all screens at least an hour before you plan to go to sleep. I know, this one is tough. We're all so attached to our devices. But what can you do in that hour instead? You can read a physical book, listen to calming music, do some gentle stretching, meditate, or take a warm bath. A warm bath is great because the subsequent drop in body temperature after you get out helps signal to your body that it's time for bed. This pre-sleep ritual is your personal wind-down routine. It tells your brain and body, okay, the day is over. It's time to rest. What you eat and drink also plays a huge role. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Caffeine is a stimulant, and its effects can last for hours. So it's best to cut it off by the early afternoon. While alcohol might make you feel drowsy initially, it actually disrupts your sleep later in the night, particularly your REM sleep, which is crucial for emotional regulation and memory. So you might fall asleep faster, but the quality of your sleep will be much poorer. Instead of a nightcap, try a cup of caffeine-free herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint. A light, healthy snack an hour or so before bed is fine if you're hungry, but avoid heavy, fatty, or spicy foods that can cause indigestion. And what about exercise? Regular physical activity is fantastic for sleep. It helps reduce stress and anxiety and can deepen your sleep. The timing is important though. For most people, exercising in the morning or afternoon is best. A vigorous workout too close to bedtime can be overstimulating and make it harder to fall asleep. However, some gentle, relaxing activities like yoga or stretching in the evening can be very beneficial and can be part of that wind-down routine we talked about. Experiment and see what works best for your body. The key is to be active during the day so that your body is physically tired and ready for rest at night. So, let's recap the steps to finding your lost key to sleep. First, understand its power. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a biological necessity for your mind, body, and emotions. Second, build a solid foundation with a consistent sleep schedule. Third, optimize your environment to be dark, quiet, and cool. Fourth, disconnect from screens and create a relaxing wind-down ritual. Fifth, be mindful of what you consume in the evening, avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals. And finally, get your body moving during the day. Finding the key to good sleep isn't about a magic pill or a quick fix. It's about building a series of small, consistent habits that, over time, create a powerful and positive change. It's about reclaiming a natural process that our modern lifestyles have complicated. Be patient with yourself. If you have a bad night, don't stress about it. Stressing about sleep is one of the surest ways to prevent it. Just acknowledge it, let it go, and get back to your healthy habits the next day. You have the power to rediscover this key. You can unlock the door to better energy, better health, and a better you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this lecture helps you on your journey to finding your key and getting the restorative sleep you deserve. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the wonderful world of sleep. Sweet dreams.